Try to push all the hair like that to the sponge, to the base. We are splitting for 2 sections like that. Then it's gonna be more easy for me to work with. And then I'm gonna push like that, and then I'm gonna create like this the first side. One, another side also we're doing the same thing. We're pushing all the hair. That's all. What I like this form now. And if you don't like very much, then you can pull it and you can create round form as you wish. Yeah, you can just pull a little bit and create right form. We are also back coming inside. 1, 2, 3, only the roots. We are back coming only the roots, okay? So I'm doing this inside hairspray to this element and then I'm opening up. Yeah, I'm opening evenly, and then when I'm hairspray, I'm going from far away. It doesn't have to be wet texture or sticky texture. And I'm separating from the roots again very gently. Separate all this hair for several sections, and we are going like that, pushing them very close to the base and then fixing them. If you're challenging to work with a lot of hair, then you have to separate it and take less hair, and then it will be more easy to handle this. I'm gonna separate all this hair for 3 sections. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to fix with the ball pin like that and open it very wide and hairspray the roots like that. Okay, then we'll have beautiful shape for the bow. I'm putting clip and then I'm opening it very wide and nice and combing it, and then starting hairspray inside and outside and cleaning the sides. It should be transparent, as you can see. It doesn't have to be too fast. And when you feel it holds good like this, enough good, yeah, and then you are taking out the clip and then you are putting like this and fixing it to the roots like this. So we're gonna do the same thing here, okay? And put like so. And same thing, we are putting some clip. And look at this magical technique. So we're taking all this hair and we are wrapping to the pin like this, very tight, yeah, and then we are fixing it like this, and this we are putting inside like this. As you mentioned, every time when I create lines, it goes like S line. It does not go to straight. For example, this part is too straight, yeah, and that's why I don't like it. So I need to make it more like S line. So you have to understand these lines also, because it's very important to make harmony, beautiful lines.